Hi, I'm Tyler Wanzeck with Rex Masters here in Applewood, Colorado. Wanted to give you a brief update of what's been happening here in the market. Applewood, Colorado, just 10 miles outside of Denver. This neighborhood offers homebuyers larger lots with more elbow room, mature trees, and landscaping. The West Applewood neighborhood is at the base of the South Tabletop Mountain and allows for quick access to all your biking and hiking needs. Year over year, since last May of 2021, the Applewood West neighborhood has jumped a whopping 21.8% since last year, outpacing nearby neighborhoods in the same zip code by 4.1%, sending the average priced home to $913,300. Inventory is up from last year. It also shows in the Applewood neighborhood, as of June 9th, 2022, there were reported 11 homes active and under contract, ranging from $625,000 to $2.25 million. We are starting to see the real estate seasonal shift happen earlier than expected this year. Typically, we see Colorado's market taper off early July, but interest rates playing a major factor in today's market. I'm a Colorado native. I've been working in real estate for the past 12 years. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Applewood community, give me a call.